Lost your morning wood? Waking up soft when you used to wake up like a king? Listen, before you panic or think something is permanently wrong with you, understand this: morning erections are more than just a sign of masculinity. They're one of the clearest indicators of heart health, testosterone levels, and blood circulation. So if yours has gone missing, your body is sending you a message. But here's the good news: you can get it back, and in most cases, much faster than you think. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what to do before you sleep so you can start waking up hard again, naturally. No pills, no awkward doctor visits, just science-backed habits. So why does morning wood disappear? It usually comes down to three main reasons. Poor blood flow. Your arteries are struggling to push blood where it needs to go. Stress and bad sleep. Your mind is in fight or flight mode instead of recovery mode. Low testosterone. Your hormones aren't triggering nighttime erections like they used to. Morning erections, or nocturnal penile tumescence, happen during deep REM sleep. If you've stopped waking up hard, it usually means one of three things: poor blood circulation, high stress or shallow sleep, low testosterone levels. The solution? Fix your nighttime routine. Because what you do before bed determines how you wake up. Avoid late-night sugar and carbs. Heavy junk food before bed spikes insulin and kills testosterone. Instead of chips or soda, go for almonds, yogurt, or eggs. These minerals boost testosterone and relax muscles. A simple magnesium glycinate plus zinc combo 30 minutes before bed can change everything. If you want a shortcut, something that works while you sleep, I recommend Eron Plus. It combines ingredients like L-Arginine Fenugreek, which are clinically linked to improving nighttime erections and blood flow. I'll leave the link in the description. Use it if you want to speed things up naturally. 5 minutes of deep belly breathing. Stress is one of the biggest erection killers. Try this. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 6. Repeat 10 times before sleeping. Sleep naked or in loose clothing. Overheating lowers testosterone. Cooler body equals stronger morning wood. No screens 30 minutes before bed. Blue light blocks melatonin, which blocks testosterone. If you're scrolling TikTok at 1 a.m., you're sabotaging your next morning. Before sleeping, flex your pelvic floor like you're stopping urine midstream. Hold for 3 seconds, release. Do 10 reps. Strong pelvic floor equals stronger morning erections. If you follow this routine for 7 nights, your morning wood will return, stronger than ever. And if you want to boost results faster, don't forget to check out Eron Plus using the link in the description. A lot of guys are reporting insane morning wood comebacks within days. Hit subscribe if you want more natural male health tips, and drop a comment saying I'm ready if you're taking action tonight. Stay strong, King. Your mornings are coming back.